You and you won't regret it because very one day your boy I might invite you into a big party.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
we must just celebrate impilo, celebrate life, and the journey. Thank you so much. Thank you.
For sure, my brother. And on behalf of the Midbar community, Rick, and yes, for those of you that wants to keep a consistent communication, you know most definitely what you gotta do. It's quite simple. All you gotta do is keep a consistent communication and keep tabs in and check us out on digital platforms. Yes, we are right there on Facebook. We got a little group on there. There's the Weekend Brunch Class.
School is all for kids, okay? Yeah, everyone that knows me.